On 30th July, around 11 a.m., over 224 kilograms of recovered drugs was set on fire as per the direction of District Drug Disposal Committee, Karbi Anglong, at 5 Mile, Diphu Road, Karbi Anglong. As per Narcotic Drugs Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, District Drug Control Committee directed Karbi Anglong Police with due clearance from the State Pollution Control Board disposed nearly 224 kilograms of recovered drugs at 5 Mile, Diphu Road, Diphu, Karbi Anglong on 30th July. Due to vigilant and excellent policing at the district, Karbi Anglong Police intercepted several drug peddlers and seized huge amount of illicit drugs from their possession. As per the sources, it was reported that the recovered drugs was compiled together and weighed around 224 kilograms from 15 different cases across the district. 3.48 kilograms of heroin, 220.065 kilograms of cannabis, 2,102 numbers of tablets, and 26 bottles of cough syrup was flamed and disposed at the event. DSP Headquarter Nahid Karisma, APS, while speaking to us, informed that the value of the recovered drugs would worth an amount as much as rupees 2,75,90,050.
Drugs recovery hoise tenokwa amar 15ta caseor jekhini drugs recover hoisile tat ami drug disposal committee approvalor mote aji ami drugs to dispose kora hoise tar bhitorot apunar heroin 3 kg 0.48 gram dispose kora hoise ganja 222.065 kg simplex tablet 2,102 numbers of simplex tablets aru cough syrup 26 ta bottle dispose kora hoise ei gute psychotropic substance aru narcotic drugs or mulya hoise 2,72,90,050 rupees aru ami jetia dispose korar agot jitu amar procedure ase NDPS or act or mote ei mote ami eta drug disposal committee form kora hoise aru tar pisot amar pollution control board or approval or pasot amar aji dispose kora.
Longsodar Inkti's report from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live.